Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Git is installed and configured, and VSCode is open to your project folder. This prevents permission or identity errors later. Once done, set Git global user. Name and user. Email so commits have an author. Then open the source control icon in VSCode. It immediately detects a repository or prompts to initialize one. Make sure the integrated terminal uses the same Git by running Git version. This verifies VSCode, and the systems share the same Git executable. Next, authenticate so pushes and pulls succeed without repeated prompts. Create an SSH key pair or a personal access token for HTTPS and add it to your Git host account. This secures access. Once authenticated, add the remote. Either run git remote add origin repo URL in the integrated terminal or use the VSCode command palette to add a remote visually. After adding the remote, fetch or pull to align histories. This avoids merge conflicts on your first push. Finally, commit and push. Stage your changes, craft a concise message, and push to origin branch either with VSCode controls or git push in the terminal. If a push is rejected, pull and resolve conflicts using the editor's merge tools, then commit and push again. If authentication fails, check your SSH agent is running, confirm key file permissions, or ensure your personal access token has the correct scopes. Re-add credentials to the credential manager and retry. This completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.